Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Romjana. I am a student at STKIP Kusuma Negara, study program Mathematics semester 7. I want to convey material Bahasa Inggris Matematika as one of the fulfillment of task, the one who is taught by Bapak Wisnu MPD. Next, multiplication or division KPK and FEB. A prime number is a natural number and has only two factors, the number itself and the number 1. General, this number is only divisible by the number itself. Examples of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 12, and so on. Prime factorization is a way to decompose a number into its multiplication and prime factors. Method for determining prime factorization is to add a factor 3. That's why we have refreshed our memory a bit. Now let's get into how to find KPK and FEB. Okay, next, number 1. What are the KPK and FEB of 20 and 30? Divide the numbers 20 and 30 by prime numbers and continue to do the division until the final result. What remains is a prime number that is not divisible by anything other than itself. As shown above, when write down the prime factorization, 20 equals 2 raised by 2 times 5. 30 equals 2 times 3 times 5. In determining the value of the KPK, we will multiply all prime factors. If there are factors that are the sum, then cause the higher power. KPK equals 2 raised by 2 times 3 times 5 equals 60. To determine the FEB, cause a prime factor with the sum smallest power, then multiply 20 equals 2 raised by 2 times 5. 30 equals 2 times 3 times 5. The sum numbers with the smallest power are 2 and 5, so the FEB of 20 and 30 are 2 times 5 equals 10. Okay, next, example for 2. Determine the KPK and FEB of 60 and 80. Next solution. Factor 3. Then the prime factorization of 60 and 80 is answer. 60 equals 2 raised by 2 times 3 times 5. 80 equals 2 raised by 4 times 5. KPK equals 2 raised by 4 times 3 times 5 equals 240. FEB equals 2 raised by 2 times 5 equals 20. Okay, next, forward. Forwards in mathematics can be interpreted as repetition of the number itself. Forward can be denoted by a to the power n, a to the power by n equals a times a times a times a. Before knowing more, you need to understand the basic numbers first, as in the example below. Okay, next example. 1 raised by 2 equals 1. Open brace the first term, 1 times 1 close brace. 2 raised by 2 equals 4. Open brace the first term, 2 times 2 close brace. 3 raised by 2 equals 9. Open brace first the term, 3 times 3 close brace. Next, 12 raised by 3 equals 12 times 12 times 12 equals 1728. Next, symbol of rank equation consists of two numbers such as 78 raised by 2 close brace. Solution: 78 raised by 2 equals, open brace the first term, 70 plus 8 close brace raised by 2 equals, open brace the first term, 70 plus 8 close brace, open brace the first term, 70 plus 8 close brace equals 70 raised by 2 plus 2, open brace the first term, 70 times 8 close brace plus 8 raised by 2 equals 4,900 plus 1,120 plus 64 equals 6,084. Okay, next, summation forward. Addition forwards can be done using parentheses for all numbers to their powers and then add them off. Next, 4 raised by 2 plus 5 raised by 2 equals 3 dots equals, open brace the first term, 4 times 4 close brace plus, open brace the first term, 5 times 5 close brace equals 16 plus 25 equals 41. Okay, next, subtraction forward. Example: 8 raised by 2 minus 5 raised by 2 equals 3 dots equals, open brace the first term, 8 times 8 close brace minus, open brace the first term, 5 times 5 close brace equals 64 minus 25 equals 39. Next, multiplication forward. Example: 3 raised by 2 times 2 raised by 2 equals 3 dots equals, open brace open brace, the first term 3 times 3 close brace times open brace, the first term 2 times 2 close brace equals 9 times 4 equals 36. Okay, next division of rank. Example 6 raised by 2 over 2 raised by 2 equals 3 dot equals open brace, the first term 6 times 6 close brace over open brace 2 times 2 close brace equals 36 over 4 equals 9. Untuk akar, number 1, number 7 raised by 3 over 2 if it is converted into root form is. Solution, properties as a raised by m over n equals n akar a raised by m and 2 akar a equals akar a. Maka 7 raised by 3 over 2 equals 2 akar 7 raised by 3 equals akar 7 raised by 3. Logarit. The relationship between exponents and logarithms can be expressed as follows. A log x equals n, x equals a raised by n, where a equals base number or base a lebih dari 0, titik koma a tidak sama dengan 1, close brace, x which is the logarit value x lebih dari 1, close brace, and equals logarithmic result. Example, calculate the value of the logarithms below. 9 log 135 minus 9 log by 5. Solution, 9 log by 135 minus 9 log by 5 equals 9 log open brace 1355 close brace equals 9 log by 27 equals 32 log by 3 raised by 3 equals 3 over 2 times 3 log 3 equals 3 over 2. Number 2, calculate the value of the logarithm below. 2 log by 4 plus 2 log by 8. Solution, 2 log by 4 plus 2 log by 8 equals 2 log by 4 times 8 equals 2 log 32 equals 5. Number 3, diketahui log 3 equals 0,332 and log 2 equals 0,225, maka log 18 dari soal tersebut adalah untuk solution is known. Log 3 equals 0,332, log 2 equals 0,225 as log 18 equals 3 dot. Answer, log 18 equals log 9 times log 2 equals open brace log 3 times log 3 close brace times log 2 equals 2 times open brace 0,332 close brace plus open brace 0,225 5 close brace equals 0,889. Number 4. If now 2 log 8 equals A and 2 log 4 equals B, determine the value of 6 log 40 close brace. Solution for 2 log 8 equals A equals open brace log 8 over log 2 close brace equals A equals log 8 equals A log 2. For 2 log 4 equals B equals open brace log 4 over log 2 close brace equals B equals log 4 equals B log 2. So 16 log 8 equals open brace log 16 close brace over open brace log 68 close brace equals open brace log 2 times 8 close brace over open brace log 2 times 4 close brace equals open brace log 2 plus log 8 close brace open over open brace log 2 plus log 4 close brace equals open brace log 2 plus A log 8 close brace over open brace log 2 plus B log B close brace equals log 2 open brace 1 plus A close brace over log 2 open brace 1 plus B close brace equals open brace 1 plus A close brace over open brace 1 plus B close brace. Number 5. Value of open brace 3 log 5 minus 3 log 15 plus 3 log 9 close brace 3 dot. Solution: open brace 3 log 5 minus 3 log 15 plus 3 log 9 equals 3 log open brace 5 times 9 close brace over 15 equals 3 log 45 over 15 close 3 log 3 equals 1. Barisan. Number 1. Open brace 2, 100, 4, 95, 7, 90, 11, 85, 3 dot close brace. Tentukan bilangan ke-9 dan ke-10 dari pola di atas. Untuk solution, if you pay attention, there are actually two alternate number pattern. Open brace 2, 4, 7, 11, 3 dots close brace. Next, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, open brace 100, 95, 90, 85, 3 dots close brace. Next, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. So, open brace 2, 100, 4, 4, 95, 7, 90, 11, 85, 16, 18 close brace. Next, number 2. Give a line open brace 4, 12, 20, 28, 3 dot close brace. Tentukan suku ke-40 dari barisan di atas. Find the 40 term of the above sequence. Solution: A equals 1, B equals 12 minus 4 equals 8, N equals 40, U N equals A plus open brace N minus 1 close brace times B. U40 equals 4 plus open brace 40 minus 1 close brace times H equals 4 plus 312 equals 316. Number 3. If the number pattern is known, open brace 4, 7, 10, 13, 3 dot close brace, then the number in the 7 pattern is 3 dot close brace. Solution: is known. Suku pertama A equals 4, B equals 7 minus 4 equals 3 as suku ke-7 or U7. Answer: U7 equals A plus open brace N minus 1 close brace times B equals 4 plus open brace 7 minus 1 close brace times 3 equals 22. Next, number 4. Rumus suku ke-N dari barisan open brace 5, minus 2, minus 9, minus 16, 3 dot close brace is. Solution: A equals 5, B equals 3. Ditanya rumus suku ke-N barisan aritmetika tersebut. Answer: UN equals A plus open brace N minus 1 close brace times B equals 5 plus open brace N minus 1 close brace times 3 equals 5 plus open brace minus 3N close brace minus 3 equals 2 minus 3N. Number 5. In a theater, sets are run with the front row consisting of 12 sets. The second row contains 40 sets. The third row contains 16 sets, and so on. The number of sets in the 20 row is. Solution: is now A equals 12, B equals 2, U20. Answer: UN equals A plus open brace N minus 1 close brace times B. U20 equals 12 plus open brace 20 minus 1 close brace times 2 equals 12 plus 19 times 2 equals 12 plus 38 equals 50. Thank you. Until we meet again in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.